Anahata, and that means not hit. Ana is not, hata is hit. What this refers to is the sound that is not made by any two things striking together. Sound of my voice, any sound you hear is made by two things striking together, the voice, the air on the larynx cord. What is the sound that is not made by any two things striking together? It is Om. It is the sound of the energy of the universe of which all things are manifestations. The energy is what underlies all the forms, E equals mc squared. And the sound of that energy is said to be Om.